The standard free energy change for the following reaction is minus 210 kilojoules. What is the standard cell potential? The given reaction is 2H2O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus O2. The relation between standard free energy change and standard cell potential is delta Z naught is equal to minus ENF E0 cell. Delta Z naught value is 210, that is minus 210 kilojoules. So minus 210 into, convert this into joules, 10 power 3 joules is equal to minus N is number of electrons. Number of electrons here, H2O2 oxygen oxidation state is minus 1 each oxygen. For 2 oxygen it is minus 2. Even in a H2O, 1 oxygen minus 2, 2 oxygens it is minus 4. Because we are considering for 2 oxygens on reactant side, so we have to consider for 2 oxygens on the product side. So the difference is 2. Even if we consider O2 also, here also the difference is 2 only. So N value is 2 here. Into F is 96,500 into E0 cell. From this E0 cell is equal to, minus we can cancel this, 210 into 10 power 3 by 2 into 96,500. Then 210 into 10 power 3 by 193,000. 000, 10 power 3 we can cancel, and 210 by 193 will get 1.088 volts. We can write this as 1.09 volts. So the answer is plus 1.09 volts, option B.